Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your October month reading regarding the question what will be your partner's next move towards you. So here I'm seeing that I have already shuffled cards, spread them out, and this will be a general reading. It may resonate you, may not. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and let's start your reading without any further delay. So here underneath the deck you are having Hangman and the Lover. Nine of Cup, Hangman and Lover. Your person next move shows that this person is on waiting for something, maybe waiting for this connection to build again, or maybe if you were not in a connection, now this person is ready to build this connection to the next level, like in a soulmate connection. This is their desire wish, but they are waiting for something. They are waiting for some kind of situation. Here I'm seeing that your person is heartbroken. Their wish is to be with you because they feel soulmate connection with you, they feel deep connection with you, but they are heartbroken because of third party. And now your person is ready to cut out this third party. Maybe your person is involving in a third party, or maybe you are involving in a third party. So your person wants to cut out this third party and make free themselves, and make free they want you to make free yourself from this third party situation. Or if this person is a heartbroken situation, if there is no third party, if this person is just in a heartbroken situation, this person wants to come out from this heartbroken situation, whether they want to be a single or maybe they want to be with you. They want to end this third heartbroken situation. They want to start from the zero. They have made their decision. They are the king of swords. They have made their decision, and or maybe they are ready to talk to you because they think that you are their empress. You are their soulmate connection. You are their empress. You can nurture their life, you can nurture them. That's why they want to come back to you, they want to talk to you. And they want to talk to you. They had made a decision, and their decision is clear cut. They need to come out this heartbroken situation, whether it's a third party, but there are some delays uh, in this connection. uh, that's why they are waiting. But now they had made a decision. They have made a decision that they need to cut out from this third party. If your person is involving in a third party, maybe they are married or maybe you are married, this person wants you to cut out this third party. Someone is married here, so they want you to cut yourself out from this third party and make yourself free, so that they can have this soulmate connection with you. Or maybe they are uh, waiting for themselves to cut when they will come out from this third party situation. And there are delays here. So delays are the timing which divine has decided for us. So that's why this time you people are facing some divine timing, so that maybe that's why this person is heartbroken, and you people are waiting for something, like waiting to be a single, waiting to cut them yourself out from this third party. Then you people can back together again in a soulmate connection where no third party. So this person has made a decision. They want to come out from this third party and make themselves free. This is their decision. And but I'm seeing that there is no action from their side, but they had made a decision, and they are waiting for the right time to take action in this situation. So Aries, that was your reading. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like my videos, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.